I have alopecia. I'm good. I'm in my aerodynamic era. I don't talk about my body. Okay, let's talk about the question everyone with alopecia, hair loss, or any visible difference has heard at least once. So, what happened with your hair? If you freeze when someone asks you, I've got you. Today, I'm gonna give you 7 go-to responses. Some are serious, some are funny, some are super short, some set a hard boundary. And I'm gonna tell you when each one works best. Works, date, the gym, kids, and random strangers. Also, yes, you are allowed to give answers with one sentence. One sentence. Quick truth before we get started. You don't owe anyone any medical history. You don't owe anyone a trauma story. You don't owe a TED Talk. Before you answer, ask yourself these 3 things. Where am I? Who's asking? What do I want to happen next? That's it. Context, personal, goal. I call it the CRF method. Context first response. Basically, pick a line that fits the room, the relationship, and your energy that day. Quick question for you. Where do you get asked most? Work, dating, the gym, family, or by total strangers? Drop it in the comment, and if you freeze in a moment, here's your backup plan. Small smile, one breath, one sentence. This one is the cleanest. I have alopecia, and you can optionally add if you feel like it. It's autoimmune, and I'm good. You can respond in these 3 ways. I have alopecia. It's an autoimmune condition, but I'm good. I have alopecia. It's autoimmune. I'm good. I have alopecia. Same words, different energy. You get to choose. Use this when the person feels safe enough and when you want to move on fast. Then redirect. You can try. Anyway, what were you saying about? And you pick a topic. If you want to keep it light, here are a few that will land well. Option 1, I'm in my aerodynamic era. Option 2, saving money on shampoo. Option 3, I'm in my low maintenance package. One important note, only use humor when you feel steady. If you feel cornered, humor can make you feel worse later. Let's practice. Say it with me. I'm in my aerodynamic era. This one is my favorite when you want to be polite, but you don't want to make an entire conversation. Funny you ask? I'm good though. Hey, love your jacket, by the way. What this does is simple. You acknowledge, you close it, and you hand them a new topic. Body language tip that works way better than people realize. After you say it, turn your torso back towards what you were doing. It's a social signal that says, we're moving on. This one is for the moment where someone is actually being respectful, or it's a setting where education helps, like for work or for kids. It's alopecia. It causes hair loss. It is not contagious. Thanks for asking respectfully. You can optionally add, I don't always feel like talking about it, but in this case, we can share the basics. Real talk, I used to over-explain, like fully open a Google Doc in my brain and started presenting. And then I realized most people can only hold the basics anyway. Give them the basics and move on. Quick pause, quick commercial break. It's actually useful if you want a deeper framework for different situations, like HR-friendly versions, email versions, and what to say when someone just don't drop it. I put it in my ebook. It's called Ball in the Boardroom, and it's on Amazon. The link is in the description. I made it like a playbook for scripts, boundaries, and confidence cues because you deserve options for good days and for days that you're just tired of it. All right, let's get back to it. This one is a power move, but it's a quiet one. Here's the script. What makes you ask? An alternative, are you asking out of curiosity or concern? Here's why it works. It makes them show their intention. And if their intention is messy, it becomes obvious without you doing emotional labor. Delivery tip, keep it calm, not spicy. Calm is the whole point. This is for when you're done, not angry, just done. The script, I know you're curious, but I don't discuss my body. And the follow-up, let's talk about something else. And if escalation is needed, I'm not answering that. I'll be honest, I used to laugh it off and then feel gross about it later. This line saved me because it ends the conversation without starting a debate. This one is for strangers or for people who did not earn access to you. The script, I'm not taking questions about my parents today. The alternative, this is a premium subscription question. Safe note, always, if you feel unsafe, you don't owe politeness. Exit first. Your safety beats a perfect line. Now here is how you actually use this without overthinking. Pick 2 lines. One is for safe people, one is for strangers. That's it. You're not memorizing a speech. You're building a reflex. Let's do a quick repetition together. Say, I have alopecia, I'm good. Now say, I don't discuss my body. Drop your 2 lines in the comment. If you tell me your setting, work, dating, gym, family, I'll apply with a quick rating and a tweak. Here's the thing. Your hair is not the most interesting thing about you. You don't need a perfect response. You need a response that protects your peace. This week, try it. Use 1 line, 1 time, then come back and let us all know how it went. And if you want the full playbook, Bald in the Boardroom is on Amazon, and I've dropped the link in the description. Until next time, God bless.